Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what are we going to make here. You have to get a beautiful bun made in this form and get these clutches attached. These are gonna look pretty cool. Keep on proceeding. Now here again you have to get these beautiful clutches and get them beautifully secured and tucked up in this way. Further, let's see here, you have to get these buns made and then tucked inside in this manner. Get them rolled in this way. This is gonna look beautiful enough. Now let's see what are we going to do. You have to tuck them up with the help of these pretty clips. Cool, right? Now here again what are we up to? You have to get these clutches made and now you have to secure them up in this manner. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. You have to get these buns made like this and then secure it with the help of these clutches and all. Now further, let's see, you have to get these made like this. Get them beautifully tucked up and secured in this manner. You have to get them put inside. You have to make it in this form and get this beautiful bun made. You have to just tuck them up and secure them with the help of these beautiful rubber bands, and then with the help of these clutches you need to secure them up tightly in this manner. Now let's see what are we going to do. You have to do it in this manner. Let's see here, you have to do it in this way. Just keep on making these beautiful buns and then you have to put the clutches around. Yeah, this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now let's see what are we going to do. You have to get these one twisted and rolled in this manner. You have to make them up in this position and get them beautifully made in this form. Further, let's see, you have to just turn them up and then get them secured in this manner. You have to make these beautiful buns in this way. Get them beautifully secured like this. These are gonna look absolutely pretty. Proceeding in this way, you have to get the middle partition in the hair, and further here you have to just roll them up and get them beautifully secured in this manner. You have to put them in this way. Yeah, these are gonna look absolutely pretty and beautiful enough. Proceeding in this manner, let's see again what are we up to. Let's see what different things are we gonna make here. You have to get these clutches securing into the form of a tight bun like this, and these are gonna look beautiful. Now proceeding in this way, you have to get the hair partitions and further you have to get them made in this form. Further here, what are we going to do? You have to just get them beautifully tied up in this manner, and yeah, these are gonna look pretty enough. You have to get these made and get this beautiful and lovely structure made in this form, and these are gonna look beautiful enough. Isn't it cool? You have to secure them up tightly in this form and make the layers like this. Now here you have to get these clutches. You have to roll the hair further and get them attached in this form. You have to make the layers like this and get them beautifully made in this manner. Yeah, these are gonna look beautiful enough. You have to make it in this way and make the layers like this. Isn't it looking pretty enough? Cool, right? Now here you have to get another accessory and further you have to get them rolled like this. You have to secure them up in this manner and get them beautifully folded and secured like this. Yeah, these are gonna look beautiful enough. Cool, right? Thank you guys for watching our video.